Hi everyone, this is part of the This is Vlogmas tour and it's my day, which is day 23. So I'm filming this on Sunday and I propped my phone up on a shelf because I tried it and I was like really wibbly wobbly hand. I have no idea what's going to be going on filming wise today. I thought I'd do a bit on my phone. I might set my camera up later on my tripod because otherwise people are just going to feel car sick if they're watching this because it's wobbling around everywhere. So yesterday you would have seen, I think there was a confusion, I think 2 videos have been uploaded at the same time. So it was either Slap Happy Sewing or Julia Tuesday. So tomorrow on the Vlogmas tour is Natina from So Natural Dane. So I will put the link of everybody who's been taking part throughout the month of December as part of this vlogging tour in the description box below with all their channel links and things so you can catch up. And Laura from Specky Seamstress, who organised this whole thing, she has got a playlist on her channel for everyone from So This is Vlogmas. So today we're off to church in about 45 minutes. Also today we have cleared the kitchen worktops because we have solid oak worktops and it's time for them to be oiled. I wanted them doing before Christmas. So unfortunately, I will lift up my phone. Everything is on our dining room table and I'm walking backwards at the minute. There, it's just carnage. But I will show you the kitchen, looks really neat and tidy. Oh, apart from that tub, just got out of the dishwasher. So this, oh, tea towel. My husband's going to be oiling it today and hopefully it'll all be nice and super oiled and dry before Christmas. We had our kitchen installed a year ago, which was a bit of a nightmare to say the least, getting a kitchen done like literally about 2 days before Christmas. And we are supposed to oil these worktops once a month, but we haven't oiled them since July. So it's time to get them done and hopefully it'll look all super nice for Christmas dinner. Okay, so we are back and it's lunchtime and it's really tricky to cook lunch without using the worktops. So I'll see how it goes. It's something boring. It's steak and chips, which Penny's already moaned at, saying it's too chewy. But I bought them the other week from Lidl. This is really boring stuff, but this is what life is. The cat is also trying to unwrap the presents and attack. Yes, you are trying to attack the gnomes that we've got over here. I had the lunch get up, the Christmas apron making an appearance, making my, getting used to it. Oh, and on there you can see what I filmed yesterday, I think it was, with my Christmas pyjamas. That video is up currently. I can link that in the cards. I think that what I'm going to make today is, let me just flip the camera around. I bought this fabric, which is like a canvasy type fabric, and I would say this is what I think would make a good tote bag. I got it from the school Christmas fair and it was, I got a metre and it was only £3. Yesterday when I was in Ipswich doing Christmas shopping, I nipped into the fabric shop and got some webbing. So I thought that I didn't have the actual fabric on me, but it's close enough to make handles. So I think that a shopping bag, that might be today's make that I do this afternoon. Also, the iron is there because I was using that this morning. We couldn't put it on the kitchen worktop. I'll show you I'll show you how much of a tip my sewing space is. So there's my tripod. That Hobbycraft bag is full of felt scraps and squares of felt that I bought to do my Christmas wreath. I only made 1 wreath. Over there, the top fabric is Ponte Roma I got to make a Christmas jumper and decided not to make the Christmas jumper. So I will make the toaster sweater, but just won't embellish it Christmassy. And there's also some red and black stripy jersey, which is going to be for some kind of like polo top or you know, like roll neck top, but I don't think there's enough because there's only a metre. And this box here, this has been sat in the sewing room all month because I have 1 more polystyrene wreath and then I got a load of these, the rattan wreath, because I was going to make some from the living room. So what I'm going to do is to kind of try and find somewhere to stash them, maybe one of the kids' bedrooms in a cupboard, and then I'll get them out at Easter time. And we just have some cardboard boxes which is waiting to be filled with bottles to go to the bottle bank, and here. So my sewing, I'm whizzing you around now. So this is my sewing space here in the conservatory, which then leads into the dining room, and then if I get my finger, then round there is the kitchen. So if you want to be nosy, and also there's just washing everywhere. There's a mop. There's I'll try and angle it out of the way. So there is the kitchen. So you can see that's the layout of the house. So originally I thought, oh, curtains for the dining room and a matching roller blind for the kitchen, because you can see both certain angles, you can see both spaces, but I'm not too sure. And here we have the wreath that I made for Christmas, and on the other wall the felt ornament there. Basically the whole house is a complete bomb site. But I thought I'd just show you the reality, and obviously the contents of the kitchen are sat here, and then it leads through into the living room, which is also a mess. I've got you on the floor. I'm going to cut lining out for these tote bags, but because I'm on the floor, because the kitchen is on the dining room table, I've got nowhere to cut out. So I've got these on. Now these are my gel knee pads that I got from Lidl, and they are builders ones. But if you're kneeling on the floor, they give especially as they're gel, they give a nice cushion. And if you're getting old like me, you need them. It's gone dark. Oh, what is it? I think we've had the shortest day of the year. I think that was yesterday. Look at this. Look, it's just dark. And it's like 4 or something. It's ridiculous. Anyway, I've cut out... Oh, hang on. Let me flip the camera. I've cut out 2 tote bags. And I've sewn them together, and I've added a lining to each of them, but I have left the lining open. So I will just sew that from the inside, and then that's all enclosed. I do have some webbing for the handles or for the straps, but now I've measured it, I only really have enough for 1 bag. So I've just given my husband Paul the webbing to burn on the ends, just to seal them off so I don't burn my fingertips. So I have cut another one out and sewn that together. Excuse the coat and everything on the chair. So I've got 2 of them, but I don't have straps for this, so I'm not sure. I do have some leftover fabric, whether I make self fabric ones, or I do have some cork, whiz you round again. Under my sewing table, I have a roll of cork fabric. And I was like, maybe I'll use some cork straps, but I'm not sure. So I will keep you posted, but hopefully I'll just get 1 finished today if I can't even get 2 done, if that makes sense. I thought I'd just quickly show you my light that I use for sewing, because it gets so dark in here. This is my studio light that I use when I'm filming, and I can obviously adjust that. So it's an LED light, and it has a filter on it, and it has an orange one, so you can put it for evening time for when you're filming, or just take it out and just have the LEDs. But it's really handy for lighting up my sewing table, and I just got that off Amazon, I think it was. I think I might have to leave it there for tonight. I'm not going to get that tote bag. I've just sliced through my finger, possibly the nail. I'm not too sure. So I was trying to cut out cork straps here on the floor. Yeah, I was cutting out, and it's a thin strap, and then each strap in cork has to be double-faced. So I need to cut 4 of them out, and I was just trying to speed up, I think, and slice through. So I think I've cut 2, possibly 3 out, but I think I might just have to leave it there. I'm done. Got it. Well, I got 1 done. I think I might give it to my mum for Christmas, but she goes to art club, and it might just fit all her stuff in it. So it's there. And I actually remembered to change the bobbin. So it's white on the, well, it's supposed to be white on the inside. The stitching is white on the inside, and then navy on the outside. But obviously I've just top stitched, and some of that has brought through, but not too much navy. And obviously then the straps just attached on the outside just to give it a bit of extra strength. So I haven't interfaced because I didn't really have much, and it's just a casual tote bag, doesn't zip up, just an easy carry. So this has been make number 11 of my 12 makes of Christmas. You've also been watching So This Is Vlogmas. Tomorrow, please check out Natada from So Natural Dane. I will link all the other vloggers who are taking part and who have taken part in the description box below. And I will see you soon for make number 12, but don't forget to check out everyone on the vlogger tour. And don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Thank you.